Hello friends, my name is Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer. Today's topic is human health and diseases. First question, Entamoeba histolytica is a Entamoeba histolytica we know it causes amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery, viral parasite, bacterial parasite, protozoan parasite, fungal parasite, and the answer is protozoan parasite. Second question, which of the following disease is communicable? Rickets, amoebiasis, diabetes, cancer. Communicable. We know that there are two types of diseases. There are two types of diseases. They are infectious and non-infectious. Infectious is communicable disease which spread from one person to another person. This is non-communicable, like diabetes. It will not spread from one person to another, cancer, etc. Whereas this is communicable disease which can spread from one person to another person. Maybe typhoid, cholera, like that. Let us see the option now. And the correct answer, rickets, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin. Diabetes, due to shortage of insulin. And cancer, again it is not communicable. The only communicable is amoebiasis, which spread from one person to another person through contaminated food and water. Third one, the pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in human belongs to. We know ringworm disease, a disease related to skin. Virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa. Microsporum, it's fungal disease, ringworm, fungi. Fourth one, Plasmodium completes its life cycle in one host, two host, multiple host, none of these. Two host. Plasmodium, generally Plasmodium vivax, it causes malaria. It requires two hosts. One is man, human being, and the another is female Anopheles mosquito. So two hosts. Fifth question, the diseases chikungunya is transmitted by housefly, Aedes mosquito, cockroach, female Anopheles. We know that it is Aedes aegypti, Aedes mosquito. Coming to question number 6. Which of the following disease is caused by bacteria Salmonella typhi? Very simple question. Typhoid, pneumonia, malaria, cold. And the answer is typhoid. Seventh one, filariasis. Filariasis means elephantiasis. Filariasis pathogen. Filariasis pathogen, that is filarial worm or Eucheraria we call, are transmitted to healthy person through the bite of female mosquito, housefly, cockroach. None of these. Answer is female mosquito. Its name is Culex. Coming to question number 8. The primary host of Plasmodium is, we know that Plasmodium which cause malaria require two hosts. One is man and another is female Anopheles. Culex and sheep is ruled out. Now out of these two, both of them are host, but which one is primary host? So this we have to remember. See, primary host and secondary host. Primary host is one in which pathogen reproduces sexually, and the answer is female Anopheles. Coming to 9th, innate immunity is also called. Again, there are two types of immunity. immunity. We know that. And they are innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity comes by birth. That is group of barriers comes by birth, and they are non-specific like skin, mucus, tears, etc., acids in our stomach. Whereas acquired is, it will not come by birth and it's very specific. It is production of antibody to encounter the antigen. So the answer should be here: familial, inborn, genetic, all of this. So all of this is the answer.